I decided to come to the RVC summer school because I was really interested in being able to get this experience. This has given me a great opportunity to do things that I've always wanted to do.
It's always been like my dream university to come to.
The activity I was most looking forward to was working on the farm.
I really just want to work with large animals, and I love cows and stuff like that. It's just great.
I think the most beneficial activity so far has been being in the veterinary hospital. Seeing, the surgical suites and surgery equipment and how they have different wards.
We learned how to place catheters, and we also learned how to gown up for surgery.
The program is a really great combination of clinical experience and sort of lecture experience and meeting people my own age.
Since being at the summer school, I've developed the skills of communication.
How to be a part of an inclusive environment.
So it was a really nice way to sort of be introduced to the program and the people and the location.
So lovely as well to be able to interact with different people from different nationalities. I just love the atmosphere. Everyone's so friendly.
So nice meeting people with the same interests as me, and the campus is just so amazing.
It's really changed my life, really, from what I want to do. It's crazy. I'm still quite taken back by it myself.